Crocodile by Roald Dahl. The crocodile with the cunning smile sat on the dentist's chair. He said, "Right here and everywhere, my teeth require repair." The dentist's face was turning white. He quivered, quacked and shook. He muttered, "I suppose I'm going to have to take a look. I want you," the crocodile looked like, "to do the back one first. The molars are the very back, easily the worst." He opened wide his massive jaws. It was a fearsome sight. At least 300 pointed teeth, all sharp and shining white. The dentist kept himself well clear. He stood 2 yards away. He chose the longest prop. He had to search out the decay. "I said to do the back one first," the crocodile called out. "You are not too far away, dear sir, to see what you're about. To do the back ones properly, you got to put your head deep down inside my great big mouth," the grinning Crocky said. The poor old dentist struck his hands out and weeping in despair. He cried, "No, no, I can see them all extremely well from here." Just then, in bursted a lady, in her hand a golden chain. She cried, "Oh, Croc, you naughty boy, you're playing tricks again. Watch out!" The dentist said, and started climbing up the wall. "He's after me, he's after you, he's going to eat us all." "Don't be a tool," the lady said, and flashed a gorgeous smile. "He's harmless, he's my little pet, my lovely crocodile. Thank you."